Guys, so I want to walk you through this crochet. This is my first time doing crochet on my hair, and I think it came out terrific, especially for my first time. So here I'm just showing you the pattern that I used, and I connected the braids in the back, just braided them all together, connecting the ends with each next braid. And I used this hair from Amazon. It was really affordable. It came in 8 of these bundles and it was only $20 all together. It also came with a couple clips and a crochet hook. So it comes with everything you need. And I just wanted to show you what the hair looked like. I did brush it out a little bit at the ends just to make it fuller. And yeah, brushing it out makes it a lot fuller, so don't worry that it looks a little thin in the beginning. It will fill out. This is what it looks like when I separate it on my braiding rack, and this is what you want to do to just make sure you have a seamless style. Separate the little strands. It does come in nice size strands. And so let's get started. I'm going to show you an in-depth way or method that I use to make sure that my bundles do not slip. I looked at a lot of YouTube videos and I came up with a really effective way to make sure that my knots do not slip. This is my first time, and again, I just wanted this to go seamlessly, and it did. So let me show you how I do it. So I slide my crochet hook through regularly, and I pull that strand through. And this is all the regular way that you do crocheting, right? But here's this is part of the difference. So I only take one part of the bottom and I turn my loop at the top a couple times, and then I pull that one part through. And I do this so that it's harder for the knots to come out. This is just the first part of the method, okay? Stick around. So I do that. Some people twist that top loop a bunch of times, but I find that it makes the knot bulky, so I only twist it a couple times. I only pull it through one time. I don't create a whole bunch of knots. So this is what you're going to do to make sure that your knot does not slip. It's very similar to how you make braids not come out when you're braiding with extensions. So I'm taking this really tiny part. You almost can't see it, but it's a really tiny part of one of the bottom loops. Okay, this is the part that I did not pull through. So this is the part that's just hanging down. And then I take that little tiny strand right there and I wrap that around a few times. You can do this as many times as you want to. I go around like several times to make sure that it is secure. Okay. And because this little knot that I'm about to create is so small, it makes it a lot harder for that knot to slip out. So you just want to take that and then just tie it after you've pulled that tiny part around a few times. Just tie it in the tiniest little knot and pull that tight. And you want to make sure that it's towards the top. So you will see me like just kind of pull it towards the top of the knot to make sure that it's all secure. And that's it. That is it. That's the whole method. I've had this style in for 5 days now. I haven't lost any piece of hair. Nothing has come out. Everything is secure. And I'm showing you, you really do not have to leave any hair out. I just did that because I wasn't sure how it would blend or if it would look right. And you really don't have to do that because when I blended the hair, it really didn't make much of a difference, but I still really like the look anyway. I like how it came out. I like that it made it look a little bit more natural. My straight is not, my part is not all the way straight, and I like that. I did put some shots in from the next day where I did kind of straighten out the part a little bit, but I just didn't think the style needed to be completely like perfect because that would make it look a little bit more fake to me. But I really love the fullness of this. I only used 6 of the bundles that came with it, guys, and look how full this is. So you really don't have to worry about the fullness of this hair. Again, I will leave the link at the bottom I got this hair on Amazon, so I'll leave that for you. And yeah, just make sure you subscribe. Look how beautiful that hair is. It's so cute. So subscribe and like for weekly videos.